On Thursday, we'll have temperatures in the low 40s with morning showers. Expect fair skies on Friday and Saturday.
It's about life. It's about courage. It's about people braving the elements and saving lives. It's Storm Stories. Compelling drama and breathtaking suspense. Experience the triumph of the human spirit every night on Storm Stories, only on the Weather Channel.
Bargain used vehicles are now available through Ryder Chrysler Dodge and Jeep in Phillipsburg. Best bargain used cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. The best selection with great warranties mean the best deal for you. We focus on best bargain prices, customer service, and a no-hassle buying experience. If we don't have it, we'll do our best to find it. Best bargain used vehicles only available through Ryder Chrysler Dodge and Jeep, Route 322, Phillipsburg, Center County's only best bargain dealer.
I'm an account executive at Adelphia Media Services, but I don't just work in the community, I live here too. And I know how important the holiday season is for my customers, the local merchants. This is the time they count on, and so do their families, your friends and neighbors. Shopping locally just makes sense. It benefits the whole community. So, in this season of thoughtfulness, think about shopping in your own backyard.
Getting through tonight into the morning could be a rough one for many of us. We're talking about two storm systems. One right now, quite apparent, moving right through the Mississippi River. The other, across the west. Let's get started on the big one here, the one moving in through the Midwest. We are talking about some very cold air, a sharp contrast in temperatures, and a very fine line dividing the warm, moist air with the rain showers and the warm, cold air with the snow behind it. A night to be reckoned with if you're going to be outdoors. Be very careful out there. We're talking about some winds gusting to almost 45 miles per hour and some of the snow blowing around, especially in Des Moines. Be very careful. We've had well over 8 inches already, even in through Minneapolis, St. Paul. A rainy night for us in Chicago, though. A rainy night for us, say, around Jefferson City. But Kansas City, when you changed over to snow, a big blast of snow came in. You were rain and then changed right on over, and you can see it just hasn't stopped since then. Even through St. Joseph, we're going to keep the snow here through the overnight hours. Our area of low pressure aloft is slowly beginning to move towards the northeast, and that's going to keep things very active for us here as a result. Further east, Moline into Rockford, Chicago, Milwaukee, Madison, it's all rain for us. In fact, we've had some thunderstorms to deal with here further northward, but it looks like what we're really going to be dealing with, at least through the overnight hours, will be rain showers. So a soggy start for your day. Further to the northwest, as I mentioned, around the Twin Cities, it is snowing, and it's going to continue to snow. The radar filling in here. Further north and towards Duluth, well, you may get some of the snow as well, even in through Rhinelander. You can see the radar now beginning to start to fill in this area as well. We'll keep things pretty white around here overnight and through the morning. In fact, our accumulation through Wednesday evening could be quite heavy, especially for the central areas of Wisconsin and Iowa. We could be dealing with 6 to 12 inches of snowfall by tomorrow night. As I mentioned, though, further east, it's rain showers, for heavy showers too, for the western areas of Michigan, stretching in towards the central locations of Illinois. Then lighter rain. But keep in mind, this whole system is going to be moving towards the east. Through the afternoon, we'll start to see the snow tapering off from south to north. Eventually, we'll deal with this storm system heading in towards the northeast. But through tonight, where do we find the thunderstorms? The northwestern areas of California. Even though we do have some of that storm system dropping into the southeast, these rain showers are just that, rain showers. No thunderstorms expected, no severe weather expected, just some heavy rain and accumulations of about 1 inch for Mississippi and towards Alabama, lighter rain further eastward, and makes its way in through Memphis and in through the Boot Heel. So just be on the lookout for those heavy showers. Our front will continue its progress towards the east. And
4MATIC all-wheel drive. Available in every class of sedan and wagon. The Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC all-wheel drive.
Available at Leitzinger Import, State College.
Now, from the Weather Channel, here's your local on the 8s.
Currently in your area, 34 degrees under fair skies. Forecast. Expect fair skies on Friday and Saturday, and on Sunday, expect wintry conditions.
Coming up till 10 minutes to the hour here on First Outlook. Time for Storm Watch.
Yeah, we're watching two storms in the around the lower 48, but we also have a tropical storm to talk about. Another one. This is not Odette. This is Tropical Depression Peter. Yes, believe it or not, we've had two named tropical systems in December, which is very unusual. We have not seen it since we've had satellite. Anyway, before satellite is possible, but since we've been keeping track with satellite, we have never had two in December. Now, again, winds are at 35 miles per hour. It's moving north at 12 miles per hour. The center, I mean, it's pretty far from the Azores here, and it's very far from land. We're not expecting it to cause any problems to anybody. You can see the low-level circulation is exposed. There's no convection around it. There's a front approaching from the west. So again, this thing will be moved up towards the north and east. Now let's go back to the lower 48 and talk about what's happening here. Again, with these two storms, we have one that's in the west. It's going to cause some problems up there in the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Snow levels should be dropping to about 3,500 feet here when that cold air gets in there. Snow showers for the Bitterroots, rain and wind here in San Francisco, also into Portland and Seattle. Again, be careful traveling the passes today. Now, we're watching our other storm in the Ohio Valley today, eventually heading to the northeast. Looks like for Thursday, snow on the back side of it. Boy, some of us, like in Lincoln, had over 10 inches of snow with this, even parts of Minnesota around